I have decided, usually I decide that okay, I will take half an hour more just to see how many of you remain interested in it, right? Let me show you Trello. Okay, so we can go to Trello, search for Trello. I have personally never liked this because I would rather make an Excel sheet rather than doing this. So you can go ahead and log in on Trello. This is something that some of you all are PG and UG students, so definitely you will like it because Gen Z also usually like the digital tools. So yeah, so here in Trello also it is similar like that of Gantt charts, because this is where you can create a research timeline. I will show you one that I have already created. Okay, so here I have made some cards. One is objective. So here I have set different objectives, and for each objective there are some. Uh, No, I don't really know of such any AI. You can try ChatGPT, maybe ask it to give a suitable title to your research manuscript. Maybe give it some suggestions like restrict the title to 15 words, or be more precise and things like that. Maybe ask it to look into what are the trending names or best criteria to generate a name, and then ask it to make one. Okay, so here I have made some cards. You can see that there are four different objectives that I have set. Let me just walk you into what I have done. So I have given a name to this objective. I mean, the objective is set, that is land use land cover for Delhi for the year 2020. Okay, then I can edit some labels. So right now I have added some labels to it. It is an objective, and what objective it is objective 1. So accordingly you can also set some labels. I have made these labels like objective 1, 2, 3 and 4. All of them are given different color, and then some are data procurement. For example, if I show you this to do, no, look at this to do. It is a to do of objective 1, and it is essentially a data procurement kind of to do, okay, that I have to do from 8 September to 9 September. So let me show you in here as well. So you can edit the dates here. So from 8th of September 2025 to 9th of September 2025, I have to complete this particular task or this particular to do, that is downloading data. And the reminder is set 2 days before. So 2 days before I will get a reminder saying that, I mean, this is just slightly unideal, but then 2 days before I will get a notification that I have to complete my this particular task. Okay, so I have set some timeline for it, and accordingly, so those tasks that you are doing currently, you can just shift them. So if you come here, you will be able to see that you can move the card to some other card, or column and things like that, that you can do. Yes, the link I will share. Okay, link to this researcher app I will share with you. uh, when it comes to graphical representation, I would suggest that you can take some suggestions as to what are the different aspects that you can cover in graphical representation. Maybe which graphs to add, which illustrations to add and things like that. Hierarchy charts you can make using Trello, or you can use Canva as well. Canva, if you know, I will send, if at all you don't know Canva, because Canva is very popular, so you can use a free version of Canva as well to prepare your hierarchy charts. Okay. Yes. Okay. So these are the tasks that I'm doing. Let's say I can move them, move the cards from to do to here, and then once they are done, I can transfer them over here. Okay. You can as well switch planners. You can look at the planners here. That is, you will be connecting your Trello charts or the templates that you make, that you will be connecting to your either Google Calendar or Teams Calendar. So that is where you will get it. It is more of user friendly, so don't worry, I just had to introduce you that there is something called Trello that you can use. But this particular template, and along with that many more other templates I will share with you, that will be usable in Excel. Okay. So besides that, the Trello is a wonderful addition. No, these are the templates that I have made. I have around 8 templates, out of which I will send some four to you. Okay. If you want web, do you want web templates in addition to the ones that I have made? Because I thought that if